We are reviewing the amazing Ballon Zoom as seen on TV for ages 3+.
Okay, so I took everything out of the box. This is what we got so far. Coming out of the box, you got this and the handle. You push the handle in there. I can't get the handle out to show you guys what I did, but you just literally push it down in there. You press the button down, and you push it right inside. It worked pretty good.
Okay, got to lock it.
All right, let's do it just like that. Just a little test run.
Like this?
No, not that one. This one. Launch.
Like this?
It's a launch. It's a launch. All right, hold on, pause. Let me launch it.
Wait, hard.
Okay. We got a little card that comes with it. Try the card. The card, you have to take the launch pad off to get the card to go.
Yep. Push it hard.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Spark it! Fire in the hole!
Happy New Year!
What are y'all doing? Red light, green light?
Look like food, but it's
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.